Brother Joseph.
Alip, congratulations.
Okay. Congrats. Thank you, Brother Joseph, for your loyalty. Okay. We have one more recipient for the 10 years loyalty award, but somehow he's not here right now, but probably his body will be able to receive the award for him. Brother Egbert Rodriguez, also a 10 years loyalty awardee. And may we request, representative of the club, Mr. Tony Veneracion, can you come over? Hurry up, hurry up. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the 10 years award. May we have a round of applause, please.